TAC just dropped another premium minimalist case available for both the iPhone 16 and 15 series. In this video, we'll dive into an in-depth review checking out the diamond clear version and also the Onyx clear. So let's jump in and see what we're dealing with. Quick look at the box itself, and nice and minimal, all black box with just the TAC branding on the front, and we have a little push to open cutout at the bottom here. First up, we have the diamond clear and it's sitting snug in this holder, so that's the clear version, and we'll unbox the Onyx clear and same unboxing experience here, and that's both of them side by side. First impressions is they feel nice and lightweight and premium in the hand. They have a protective sticker on the back of them, so we'll peel those off first, and the same for the Onyx. When it comes to the build of the cases, first thing that's obvious is the built-in MagSafe magnets, which are now upgraded to feature stronger magnets. We have precise cutouts for all of your buttons, ports and speaker grills, and the cases are made from a combination of polycarbonate plus plastic, so a good balance. It feels pleasantly rigid but still has slight give to it, and the diamond case is the same build too, as I just mentioned. I've got the 15 Pro Max version and I'll pop them on to see how they are. My current iPhone outfit is the TAC standard case along with my favorite TAC matte premium screen protector, and I've reviewed both of them, and you can check those out by clicking on the card on the top right. Straightforward to pop on the case and snaps on nice and snug to the phone. Fit and finish is all good, I have to say. First thing I did notice is that it hasn't added much bulk at all, being 1mm thin. Gripability is definitely a bit better, and you can see as it kind of slides down slowly on my hand here. So this case is a definite win for me. Its crystal clear design beautifully showcases my phone. It's built for those who prefer minimalism, thinness and a lightweight feel. So while it won't offer heavy duty protection, it's excellent for like safeguarding against scratches and everyday drops. Plus the raised lip around the screen provides an effective barrier, sitting a teeny tiny bit higher than my screen protector for added peace of mind. Obviously that would be more of a lip if you didn't have a screen protector on. The camera module is nice and protected all around with raised camera cutout. You'll find excellent button access here. While the buttons are recessed, the cutouts are crafted with an almost chamfered design to them, ensuring a comfortable press that's never sharp against your fingertips. As is the case with these types of cases, they are prone to fingerprint marks, especially when you have clammy hands like me, and it's hot weather here at the moment, so might find yourself wiping it quite often. We'll check out the MagSafe magnets on the back, and I'll use my ESR wallet. Excuse the condition, I've had this for like over 2 years now and it's been battered but still functions fine. We have the circular magnet and the alignment magnet underneath to line it up, and snapping it I can feel that straight away is the super strong connection, and that really is solid. You have to use quite a bit of force to actually get that to peel away. I'll give it a good hard shake and no problem with the magnets holding on solid. So the MagSafe on here is excellent with no concerns of any of your accessories dropping off at any point. And we'll also have a look at the Onyx clear, and this one gives the phone a tinted look. Still nice looking case, though I personally prefer the diamond clear. This one's a good option for those who want to have a bit of a different look. And again, same build as the clear with the precise cutout and feel of the case itself. Just looks different. And a quick look at drop protection. I've been using this for quite a while now and have dropped my phone at least 2-3 times, and it's been absolutely fine with no damage. The case itself held up for the most part with some scratch damage, but that's dropping it on a rough hard surface, but it does do the job of protecting the phone itself. So after putting the TAC Premium Case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max through its paces, what's the final verdict? This is an ultra thin minimalist clear case with an Onyx option if you prefer something darker that truly shines in one key area. It's exceptionally strong MagSafe compatibility. If you're someone who relies heavily on MagSafe accessories, this is going to be a good case for you. It offers decent level of everyday protection with noticeable and robust screen camera guards that give you the extra peace of mind, and honestly for its price point it offers significant value for money. If you prioritize sleek aesthetics and seamless integration with MagSafe, the TAC Premium Case is a very attractive choice. However, it's not without its typical clear case compromises. You'll likely notice some smudging from daily use, which is pretty common for this type of material, and while it's great for everyday bumps and scrapes, it's important to remember that its protection is geared towards daily use rather than certified heavy duty impacts. Ultimately, the TAC Premium Case delivers on its promise of a sleek, minimalist design with fantastic MagSafe performance. It's a solid choice for the everyday user who values form and function, but just be mindful of its limitations when it comes to extreme protection. That's all for me guys, hope you enjoyed this one and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.